Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
Dr. L.R. Bisnoy, Director General ki Pulit Jongkajella Meghalaya, mentaga sngi ulaong bahapreng ki nyopo ar kanta ki Pulit Jongka East Khasi Hills District, kilayo bon Kurup hadu South Pa Gram Udrok Herion, barkador yo kalakot syakakat pra Klur tengka. Habakran hakilar pathai khubor mentaga sngi haka office trekam jong DGP Dr. Bisnoy ulayathu, balayo bon Kurup hadu South Pa Gram Udrok Herion, artli ki bain kawai ka kali bat kapisa kumbasan lak sanpau hajar tengka. DGP ula airu ika jingkhain bahagini ki saw Bnai ki baladem ki Pulit Jongkajella Meghalaya ki layo ban Kurup hadu lai point reupo ar kilo udrox heroin, saw hajar sanspa kilo kenja, shispa sanpau gram opium, shispa saupsan bilor ki dawai penbuy, khatwai hajar khandai spa ar ki kuli penbuaj, kini baro kador ki lakon syaka khat pra Klur lai pulai lak tengka. Halor kani ke jingla jong ki Pulit banyo kem DGP ula ai ke burom ya baro ki Pulit jong baro ki district Hakajella ki bla treshitom kani ka kdo ya ke jing treshitom jong baro na katenat Pulit ki blai trelang ba katenat sentian. Na gini ki bla syakem shispa lai saungut ki bla syakem na Meghalaya ki don kumba shispa ar pulai ngun khatwai ngut ki dei ki banabar Kajella ki tu ki banabar ki dei na Assam Manipur bat Arunachal Pradesh. Na kishispa live saungot sangot kidei ki baju syak kemteng man kapor. Ha Meghalaya na ki khat artli ki district ka jinge khayi drugs kalong ha ki pratli ki district. Kita ki district kilong ka East Khasi Hills District, West Khasi Hills District, Southwest Khasi Hills District, East Jante Hills District, West Jante Hills District, Ribhoi District, West Garo Hills District, but South Garo Hills District.
So during last 2 days, in the East Khasi Hill districts, we have recovered nearly 400 grams of heroins and 2 motorbikes and 1 vehicles and cash nearly 5.5 lakhs during last 2 days. But I wish to share some figure with you for last 4 months, June, July, August and September till today. During last 4 months, the Meghalaya police has recovered 3 kg 62 gram heroin, 4,500 kg ganja, 150 gram opium, 145 bottles of cough syrup, 11,902 tablets of methamphetamine, and the total cost in the illegal market of these drugs is 18 crore 33 lakh. So you can say that during last 4 months, the Meghalaya police has recovered drug worth value 18.33 crore rupees. So this is a huge recovery, and for this credit should go to all the district police and the anti-narcotic task force as well as special branch for timely collection and dissemination of intelligence. Along with the drugs, during last 4 months, we have recovered 31 vehicles. Mostly the vehicles are the small and medium-sized vehicles. These 31 vehicles also include 4 number of trucks. We have also recovered 90 number of mobile phones, and most of these were smart or Android phones. We have also recovered 1 arms and few rounds of ammunition and daggers. Our cash recovery total from the drug traffickers as on today till today for last 4 months stands 24.22 lakh. 24 lakh 22,311 rupees to be exact. We have recovered these drugs and registered 48 number of cases during last 4 months, and we have arrested 134 accused during last 4 months. Out of these 134, 125 are male and 9 are female. Out of these 134 accused, 123 accused belongs to Meghalaya state and 11 accused belongs to outside Meghalaya, mainly Assam, Manipur and Arunachal. This indicates that the drug traffickers are working as interstate gang. Out of these 134, the total accused, 5 number of accused are those who are repeated offenders. They have been committing crimes repeatedly, so booking them under PIT NDPS Act is under process. We have noted that out of 12 districts of Meghalaya, most of the drug trafficking is taking place in the 8th district, that is the East Khasi Hill district, West Khasi Hill district, Southwest Khasi Hill district, East Jaintia Hill and West Jaintia Hill districts, Ridhoi, and then West Garo Hill district and South Garo Hill districts. Out of 48 cases, 50% cases are registered in the East Khasi Hill districts. The next highest registration is in the West Garo Hill district, that is a Tura, and the third is the East Jaintia Hill district, that is a Claria, and next is the Ridhoi districts and the West Jaintia Hill districts. So this kind of analysis help us to concentrate as far as the crackdown against drug traffickers is concerned in these 8 districts. The 4 districts which have not registered a single case in under NDPS or the drug trafficking case are East-West Khasi Hill districts, that is the Mairan, East Garo Hill district, that is William Nagar, North Garo Hill district, that is Resuvelpada, and Southwest Garo Hill districts, that is Ampati. So there are total 76 police stations in Meghalaya. Out of that, 18 police stations have shown registration of NDPS Act cases. So we will concentrate on these 18 thanas comparatively more than other thana, so that to break the supply chain of the drug traffickers. Other than that, during last 4 months, we have also launched a massive drive against the bike lifters. Most of the stolen bikes are from either from Tura or from the Shillongs, and some bikes they had purchased from the Assam and other neighboring states. So during last 4 months, we have recovered 141 stolen bikes, and we have arrested 61 bike lifters during last 4 months, and we have registered 19 number of cases against these bike lifters gangs. Yesterday, in the whole night, intervening night of yesterday and today, the East Khasi Hill District Police have launched a massive operation in the town areas. When the whole town was sleeping, our policemen were conducting operations in the interior, the suburb areas of the Maulais and other surrounding areas. And our team, this operation continued till morning, and our team was able to get some successes in the recovery of heroin. They have recovered 319 grams of heroin, the 15 gram of cannabis, and 7 number of mobile phones, and 1 vehicle, and 4.5 lakh rupees cash. Day before yesterday, the East Khasi Hill District also conducted operations against the drug traffickers on the basis of the technical inputs, and day before yesterday, recovery was 64 gram heroin, 5 number of mobile phone, 1 Maruti Ciaz, and 10,000 rupees cash, and 1 dagger also.